When you think of Google, you probably imagine high-tech offices, artificial intelligence, and futuristic gadgets. But in 2009, Google did something completely unexpected. They hired 200 goats to move their lawns. Instead of using gas-guzzling, noisy lawnmowers, they rented goats for a whole week to eat the grass at their Mountain View headquarters in California. The goats came from a company called California Grazing and were supervised by a herder and border collie. This eco-friendly experiment reduced noise pollution, saved fuel, and even helped fertilize the soil naturally. Google employees said it was not only better for the environment, but also calming to watch during breaks. And guess what? This trend did not stop there. Today, goats are used worldwide, from San Francisco parks to airports in the UK, to clear grass, weeds, and even prevent wildfires. So the next time you hear about Google changing the world, remember they even redefined lawn care.